hymn. After quoting a passage from Tan Luan's commentary explaining Vasubandhu's expression of gratitude toward the Buddha in a hymn, Shinran, in like manner, presents a hymn. This hymn is similar in style, content, and phraseology to the one in Teaching, Practice, and Realization, popularly known as Shoshinge, or Hymn of True Shinjin. The hymn presents the essence of Shin Buddhism as revealed by the 7 patriarchs, who are each taken up in historical order. Questions and answers. This discussion explains the essential unity of intent in scriptural passages teaching Shinjin. Question 1 concerns the relationship between the 3 minds mentioned in the 18th vow, namely sincere mind, entrusting, and aspiration for birth, and the mind that is single, that is, single-heartedness, or literally one mind, which appears in Vasubandhu's Treatise on the Pure Land. The answer begins with a philological analysis of the Chinese characters making up the terms for each of the 3 minds, followed by an explanation of their connotations. It is concluded that the 3 minds are all the true mind, the mind of great compassion directed to the practicer by Amida. They are the true and real mind, which is not mingled with doubt. Since they are thus the single-hearted Shinjin, they are the same as the mind that is single, with which Vasubandhu took refuge in Amida. The essential nature of this mind that is single is further shown by such synonyms as aspiration for Buddhahood and mind of great enlightenment, which appear in the sutras and works by the patriarchs. Question 2 concerns the relationship between the 3 minds mentioned above and the 3 which appear in the Contemplation Sutra, namely sincere mind, deep mind, and aspiration for birth directed to beings by Amida. Shinran explains, by quoting from Shantao's works, that the 3 minds of the Contemplation Sutra refer to true and trusting, and hence are essentially identical to the 3 minds of the larger sutra. Question 3 concerns the 3 minds of the 2 sutras discussed above and the, quote, mind to hold steadfast to the name, close quote, mentioned in the smaller sutra. Shinran explains that the mind to hold steadfast to the name is the mind that is single and true, and that it is therefore the same as the 3 minds. To summarize, the above discussion reveals that 4 key terms occurring in Pure Land scriptures all refer to Shinjin. 1. The 3 minds of the larger sutra. 2. The 3 minds of the Contemplation Sutra. 3. The mind to hold steadfast to the name which appears in the smaller sutra. And 4. The one mind or single-heartedness of Vasubandhu's Treatise on the Pure Land. Although these 4 terms are different in their explicit meanings, they all connote the same mind of true and trusting Shinjin. At the end of the work, Shinran once again emphasizes the difficulty of awakening Shinjin, but adds that when Shinjin is settled in the practicer through the power of Amida's vow, it enables him or her to realize enlightenment without freeing himself or herself of blind passions.